friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. And as you all know that Nifty 50 at record highs, so we are going to analyze the chart and we'll find out what can be the next level after this record high. And along with that, I will analyze the USD INR chart also so that we can find out important levels for the USD INR also. So, to know the Nifty 50 important level after record high and the stock market update, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for these kind of information and update and indices levels update. So first we will analyze the USD INR chart, then we'll go for the Nifty 50 chart. And before that, I have to mention that I have made the stock in news camps video so that you can be aware the record date and ratio, everything, every information update about the scams stock split. I will give the link in I button. Please check that video before the record date and everything. So I'm giving the link of camps video of stock split. And after that we'll go for the global market also, but first of all let's check the USD INR chart because it was very important. Even in my last video I have discussed that the Indian rupees at was actually last week it was at record low at I discussed in my last video. So for that, I'm going to continue with the update what all happened in last week in INR, USD INR, and then we'll find out what can be the crucial level. I have first of all I have opened the USD INR chart and you can see INR. This was last video I made. It was the last Friday where the Indian rupees touched the all-time high means rupees is lowest falling. So you can see this big candle, we call it Marabujo candle, and this has made and this touched the highest level of 89.7. You can see here it is mentioned in the box. It was 89.73 on Friday, and this was the highest level means lowest level for the Indian rupees against a US dollar. After that, in last week what all happened you can see here. If you want you can zoom it out also, that this whole week the Indian rupees consolidated in this range, from here this was the biggest candle, and from here it was trading in this range 1 2 3 4 5 whole week. And it has till now it has not broken its last week lowest level of 89.7, or support was I can say roughly that again 89. 89 is the good support where the Indian rupees can take a support here, 89 rupees 89, and above side 89.7. We need to watch in next week that this 89 to 89.7 is still it is going to be continue, or it is going to be broken by this USD INR. So we need to watch definitely next week. Still the rupees is not in good condition. It is actually weakening. Last week on Friday it was at highest level of the 89.5. तो 89.5 पे ये क्लोज हुआ है लास्ट वीक. So please watch this important levels in next week. I will definitely update in my next global market video on Sunday. Quickly we'll go for the indices, US indices. First of all, our Indian stock market was like negligible, neutral on Friday. But yes, uh, US indices in the US market was quite good, performing good. Even DJI 0.6 and S&P 500 of point 0.5, even Nasdaq was performing good. It was more than 0.65%. So overall, US indices performed good on Friday. And if important commodity we see, so we can see the gold is like at highest of 42.75 dollar, and silver is also trading at its breakout level. We can say it is more than 56. It was a high 56.7 dollar. So silver is again looking very good, and it's at very good resistance levels. And Brent oil is very comfortable zone. Still it is less than $65 per barrel. I have opened the Nifty 50 chart, and here you'll see I have opened the weekly chart also, because I want to show the long term scenario what all happened for the last few weeks, last month. I have made the Nifty bank level video also yesterday on Saturday. Please go through for the Nifty bank levels also, so that you can know that after record high what can be the next situation, next prediction for the Nifty bank. So please go through the Nifty bank levels video for the Saturday. I am giving the link in I button. And you see here Nifty 50 chart. So Nifty 50 chart, I discussed even in my earlier video also that this has made the cup and handle formation. Given the breakout I already discussed, and after that how neatly clearly it has retested to this trend line, on this trend line retested, and from here it has given a new journey towards the record high, all time high, which was earlier it was 26,277, and on Thursday it has broken that level of 26,277 around, and touched the 26,000. I can say on Friday, yes, it was the 26,300 level of new highest level of the Nifty 50. So 26,300 level. Even in my last video, earlier video, I have given this level of 26,300 can be a good resistance for the Nifty 50, which is the last all time, around last all time high also. But now after this, what can be the next level? As you can see, this week is looking like not very good, like not very good candle I can see, but yes, not very bad I will say. Yes, definitely it has already retested to this level of 25,400 around, and it is the 20-week EMA also. So 20-week EMA also giving the support at 25,400, and this trend line or neckline of this cup and handle pattern is also giving a support of 25,400. So 25,400 is a very very crucial level support for the Nifty 50. But if it's coming back till here, it is well and good. If it's going even above this 26,300 level, this is looking a good resistance again of 26,500. I can say how it has come, as this is a rule, this is a हैंडल, एंड हैंडल को अगर हम मेज़र करें तो इट इज़ अराउंड 24,500 के आसपास है. 24,500 से ब्रेकआउट लेवल इज 25,500. सो अराउंड 1,000 पॉइंट का यहाँ पे गैप है, और 1,000 पॉइंट को हम यहाँ से ऐड करेंगे तो इट इज़ कमिंग 26,500. Okay, so 24,500 to 25,500 is a 1,000 level of दिस हैंडल. एंड यहाँ से हम मेज़र करते हैं 1,000 पॉइंट का. सो 25,500 से 26,500 का एक नेक्स्ट लेवल हमको मिलता है. दिस इज द रूल of cup and handle. So according to this rule, I can predict that 26,500, 400, 500 around will be a next level, where till where Nifty 50 may go for the next week or for the short term I can say. But breaking this level will be a new level also that I will update in my next week video after watching this level of this 26,500 level. After watching this, I will definitely update about this. The USD INR, I have analyzed in detail everything, levels, everything. Please watch this video again if you want to see the level. And yes, global market update also. So Nifty 50 level, I will mention again. Important support is 25,400. Important resistance is 26,300 and then 26,500. So please watch Cam's video also and Nifty Bank levels, new levels video also. And this, the Nifty 50 I have just mentioned. Like and share with your friends and others so that they will be aware with the important updates, and subscribe the channel for regular update of the stock market and indices levels update. Signing off.